Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have pyridine, side chain, you have ether and terminal ether. You are reacting with butyl lithium and diiodoethane. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you have the concept of ortho lithiation, meaning the functional group in ortho position abstract the proton. Here there are the two possibilities, two ortho position, but in the second position of pyridine it never happened because of repulsion. The lone pair and anion repulsion is there, it don't form, so it happened on the fourth position. Then you have anion, which is a nucleophile which attacks the diiodomethane. You have iodine substitution in the fourth position. The concept we have learned here is regioselectivity due to the coordination is called Ortho Lithiation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.